I'm home. Dutch Bros. So good. I forgot my stickers downstairs and whoops. Oh my god, it's freaking. I can't. Okay. I had my first appointment today, which is I had my injection for my RA. So I should be feeling better anytime now. Yay. And thank you for all the get well wishes. I truly do appreciate it because I was struggling, you guys. Struggling big time. It was so hard. I was like, I couldn't believe I had to call it. But we did it. I'm off today. Like, I had PTO scheduled for today because of all of my appointments. I literally had my Simcia, which is my injection, and then I had my PCP, but that one got canceled, so I don't have to see my PCT. I have a dermatologist appointment at like 1 something. I hope it's like not super. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna make that, but we'll figure it out. My dermatologist appointment's at 1:45 and my rheumatologist is at 2:30. So I'm hoping if I show up to my dermatologist early, he can see me early, and then I can head to my my rheumatologist right after that. So yay. I'm eating some turkey sausage links. So yeah, very simple with a sugar-free coffee, and I'm just gonna watch the Pretty Basic podcast, and I'm gonna chill out because I need to chill. So thank you guys for being here. I love you all. It's a struggle, but we're doing better, so good. And I love you guys, so I'm really happy to be feeling better, to be in better spirits. So, and also ignore that I've worn this pajama set. Anyways, I'm not even gonna address that. I don't know about y'all, but I struggle so much with taking medicine. I cannot. And look, I don't know if I can show you all, but this is just a portion of the medicine that I have to take. Like, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 capsules. And that's the one that I have the hardest time with, is capsules. I just took 2 pills right now and I'm like, ugh, like, I'm so grossed out right now, but I have to just like wait it out, and then eventually I can take them all. But and then I powered through it. Oh, but it's like, I don't know, am I alone in this? Because sometimes, and it's like more when I have to take like more than just a couple. Like lately I've been taking my medicine and it's been great for me, but I'm like, ugh, like it gives me like asco. I don't know if y'all know what that means, but it gives me like, ugh, like gross. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. This is where I keep my little makeup in. I'm gonna do just a little bit. Oh, gross. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of light makeup because I look like this. So just a little bit, just a little something. I'm charging my camera light right now, so that's why I'm recording on my phone. Not that that's a bad thing, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of light makeup and hopefully it turns out okay. I actually just got this foundation. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I had gotten this one over here. It's the exact same thing. Let me grab it. I had gotten this one But I had bought it in the shade, shoot, I don't know what shade it is. Does it say down here? Shade 4, medium. And it was way too dark for me, so I bought this one. And it's like the slightest difference, but this one is in the shade 2 and the fair light, and this is a lot better. So I'm thinking I'm still gonna keep this. I'm not sure. I may just offer it to someone in the neighborhood because I only swatched it and it didn't work out, and so it was way too dark. So I'm still, obviously, I love it though, so we'll see what it turns out like.